Bro, why do we all do this? I open the fridge, nothing. Close it. Wait 5 minutes like the food's loading in. Open it again like maybe the update finished. No, it's the same sad ketchup bottle, half a lemon, and vibes. And somehow, I still stare. Like, if I maintain eye contact long enough, a full meal will just spawn. I start rearranging stuff too. Oh, maybe the food's hiding behind the milk. Nope, still nothing. Then I get mad at the fridge. Like, this is your fault. Why are you cold if you have nothing to offer me? I close it aggressively, walk away, come back 2 minutes later, open it again. Why did I think it changed? My brain really said, yeah bro, a 5-star meal definitely appeared while you blinked. At this point, I'm not hungry. I'm just beefing with the fridge. Subscribe for luck.